Hi, Jonathan here from Juice and Blend. I'm just going to give you a quick demonstration of cleaning the Hurom HH Elite. It is a question we get asked a lot about slow juicers, is how hard or easy they are to clean. So I'm just going to give you a quick demonstration of that, and I'll get right into it. The first thing to do is take the brush and clean out the pulp from the pulp ejection port, just making sure you get as much as you can out. Once you've done that, just tip the pulp away, whether you're going to reuse that compost or whatever you may do with it, and then just give the pulp buckets a rinse. Just give it a wipe out with a cloth. There you go. Then we take the juice container, the same thing, just give it a rinse. It's good to get the containers out of the way first because they are quite bulky and they do take up a bit of room in the sink. And it's good to have the sink free for the actual machine. Okay, then just take the pusher, give that a rinse off. Generally the pushers don't get much dirt on them. And then just take the whole juice assembly and remove it from the machine and put it down in the sink. Now you also may want to just give the motor base a wipe. It might have got splashed while you were doing the juicing, so just give that a wipe to keep it in good condition. Then just take off the feed chute, give it a rinse. If you've got food inside the chute there, just take the brush there and just give it a little brush around. Generally the feed chute's pretty clean. Put it on the side there. Next, remove the auger and give it a rinse underneath the tap. But then pay close attention to the base of the auger. It does get pulp in there and you do need to get into it. This machine comes with this clever little tool where there's a little brush on the end, so you can get down into these little places where you need to. Just make sure there's no more pulp. It doesn't take much to get it off. Next step is to take the screen out of the machine, give it a rinse. It's easy to rinse the inside of the machine first, or the screen, and then just unclip it. Take the screen wiper, make sure you're just cleaning these little blades to make sure there's no juice on them. You want to keep them in good order. Put them aside, then take the actual screen itself, get the brush, scrub around and just slowly turn the screen as you're brushing. Just clean the top section and then just turn it around and clean the bottom section. Just make sure you get all of the pulp out of this component or this area, because this is where the juice actually comes through from the auger to the juice ejection port, and this is where you're maximising your yield from your juice. So make sure it's nice and clean. Then once you've done that, just take the motor base, the base to the juicer, give that a rinse out. Make sure you've opened, in this case, the pressure plate, because this is the adjustable pressure plate, so that's nice and easy to do on this machine. Open it all the way so the water can flow right through the pulp ejection port, and just rinse out the whole machine. Make sure you open the drip cap so you can get the water in through the port where the juice actually comes out. And if you need to get any more cleaning in there, just take the tool and give it a little brush. Brush up into the pulp ejection port there. That's generally where the juice or the pulp gets stuck. Once you've done that, you should all be clean. Just one final little bit of juice or pulp there, that's it. Just hang that to the side there and then just give the brush a clean, making sure you've got no pulp on that, and set that aside also. Now, as you can see, that's really simple and easy to do. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Please leave comments below, like and share the video, and remember to juice and blend your way to a healthy life.